Hey, hi, beautiful people. Welcome to another episode of Foodie. And today we're in Chennai's Fuchka Center in Madhyamgram. And this place is very famous for the varieties of chaats like Pani Puri, Dahi Fuchka, Dahi Vada, Samosa Chaat, Papri Chaat, and lots more. This place is always full of crowd in the evening, especially women and the children, to taste some of the delightful delicacies that they offered. So we have here a fuchka, which is rupees 10 for 5 pieces. Then Dahi Fuchka 30 rupees per plate, Masala Fuchka 40 rupees per plate, Masala Papri Chaat 40 rupees per plate. And let's check it out. Yes, Papri Chaat 30 rupees, Bhel Puri 40 rupees, Samosa Chaat 20 rupees, Khugni Chaat 15 rupees. Now let's see how they are making dahi vadas. Now as you can see, they have 2 pieces of vadas along with lots of curd, along with lots of sweet chutney, then some chaat masala, rock salt, Now let's go ahead and check it out how they are making the Dahi Fuchka. The price is 30 rupees. Now you can see on the Fuchka they're adding potatoes, they're adding curd, masalas, chutney, as well as chaat masala, dhania, and let's see, okay, and as well as some seo and coriander leaves on top, more curd. And let's see, oh no, just a spoon to eat, no problem. Alright, now it's time to check how they're making their famous papri chaat. The price is 30 rupees. As you can see, they're laying all the papris on the plate. Then there is boiled potato, then sweet tamarind chutney, then curd, then chaat masala, rock salt, lots of seos, and and it's coriander leaves and a spoon to eat. That is very good. It tastes amazing. And just check how does it look. Oh wow, that is wonderful. If you come here in the evening, then you will find out the crowd is always full because of their fuchkas. The fuchkas are very famous out here. And now as you can see, I'm having this papri chaat because today is Durga Puja. So along with the pandal hopping as a foodie, I'm here to eat, I'm here to have some kind of snacks to satisfy my mind, satisfy my taste buds. So I request you, whenever you get some time, come here, eat, and let me know how do you like it. Share this video. Please do subscribe into my channel so that motivates me to provide you more and more informative videos about best place. And also do share these videos and let me know on the comment section if you have any kind of place that you know where you can get the best foods, unique foods. Please let me know. I'm gonna go along with you and cover everything for you. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really appreciate your time and patience. Thank you. Good night.